Hi, this is Brandon from Watches on You. Today we're taking a look at the Omega Seamaster 1948 coaxial master chronometer, small seconds, 38 millimeters. And first I'd like to remind you that we're here at JB Hudson Jewelers in Minneapolis, Minnesota, taking a look at this piece. I'd also like to remind you that we'll be leaving links in the description to both JB Hudson's website as well as to our channel store where we've listed our favorite watches and watch accessories for sale. They do support the channel, so definitely, any purchases made on the site do support the channel, so definitely check that out. So now, without further ado, I'll move into the review of this watch. So this is the Seamaster 1948, and this is the variety with the small seconds as opposed to the center seconds. I definitely prefer the small seconds to the center seconds model. I think it looks much more classic, and it really is reminiscent of the first Seamaster models from 1948, which is the name of this watch, and or I guess the inspiration for the name of this watch. Additionally, this watch is available in a limited edition of 1,948 pieces to commemorate, again, that date, and it has an absolutely beautiful construction. Now, the dial is a beautiful domed dial. It looks fantastic. I love the 3, 9, and 12 on it. It looks just great, extremely classic. The 38 millimeter case size does have a modern kind of fit. And additionally, one thing to note is that although this watch comes on a leather strap, it also can come on a Nato strap, depending on how you order it, I think. And actually, I think those straps come kind of in addition to the watch, but you'd have to check with your local AD to see what their policies are on that, or if they'd be willing to give you a discount or something. But again, this watch it looks actually really, really nice on a blue Nato strap. They have it on the website. It looks fantastic, and which is a little bit unique for such a classic piece. You wouldn't really expect it to look that great, but it definitely does. So now moving on to the movement, it's got a standard Omega coaxial movement. It's the caliber 8804 to be exact. And one thing that I don't really like about this watch is that they put the Chris Craft and then the Gloucester Meteor aircraft on the back. I get it's to commemorate the 70th anniversary of the Seamaster, but I think that they shouldn't have really covered up the movement like that. I really don't like it when they do that. I wish they just did a standard no clear case back Seamaster kind of logo, or hippocampus I should say. I think that would look a little bit better. So moving on to a wrist shot of this watch, you can see the 38 millimeter case size looks great on, I would say, my wrist, in my opinion, which is, it has about a 6.5 inch circumference. That's about average, and I think it would look great on pretty much any wrist size, so definitely take that into account. If you like this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and again, we'll be leaving the link in the description to JB Hudson's website if you want to inquire about purchasing this piece. Thanks for watching.